Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Since Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday till today, actually, I was not around, guys. I was quite busy, family issues and stuff like that. But guess what? We back. I hope maybe you learned something. I hope maybe you learned something from the analysis that I've been trying to show you, like since maybe you watched my videos, maybe you learned something, and yeah, I hope you still going to learn more. So, and last week, if you still remember, we did actually cut short our robot. It was supposed to continue actually for the whole week, but this is another week, and I will see what I can do. As I need to cover so many things, I missed to meet with my members or the clients, so I need to meet them. So the day can be hectic, but guess what? We're gonna go on that live session. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. Don't forget to smash that like. Yes, and the robot is still available, guys. The robot is still available for $450. And if maybe you want to be part of the team, just check that if you join lifetime mentorship, you're gonna get the mentorship signals and also the robot. The robot actually performs very well on NASDAQ, US30s, gold, actually fast market like GJ, something like that, if you want to trade currency pairs. Yes, there is another one for VIX 75. If you want another one for crash, boom crash, you will also get that. You just pay once, then you will all have access to the other ones, because sometimes you can't able to pay this and that at the same time, right? So yes, if maybe you thought maybe we're not coming back, nope, we're here. I'm very sorry, guys. I did not actually have enough time to tell you that, but yes, I'm back. We need to work. We left with 20 minutes. I think the power might go, but I'll just make sure I go slowly on this analysis just to see actually what we missed, you see. So yeah, let's try to go on this analysis. Yeah, this is actually the second stage, guys. So we need to go a little bit aggressive, not like seriously aggressive, like applying the risk management. Actually, what I want is now, for those who maybe were learning and stuff like that, now we need to take that to the next level, right? If it's the account, we need to grow that to a very nice number. Last week, the robot just took the account from 6 to 1.4. I think the last results I did not show you. So this time, guys, I think that was a nice small amount. Now we need to take that maybe to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, even 100, right? So, but we will talk more about that. So if you want to be part of that team, because once you join the robot, you will be in the group, separate group for the support and stuff like that. Remember, guys, when you join the robot is for meta traders. MetaTrader 5 or 4. If you're using a smartphone, that is different thing. That will take time for us to convert that to a smartphone. Sometimes it might not even work the way we want. So please, guys, the robot supports only MetaTrader 4 and 5. So if maybe you're using a different platform, if maybe your broker allows you to use MetaTrader, yes, you can do that. But if not, it means it's not going to be possible. So that might be something else, actually. So yeah, let's go straight to Bitcoin. Yeah, since I left, I think things did not change much. I drawn this thing last week, I think maybe Wednesday. But it seems like I still see the same image, the same picture that I left there. But I like that because it means it still respects our downtrend. Do you see that? The market is still respecting this trend line here. Remember, we follow the trend, or you can just say the trend is your friend. Why? Because if you follow the trend, 90% of the time, the market will be in your favor. So what I see here is, yes, the market is still under pressure. I'm still expecting the market to do what? To push lower. unless if maybe the market tries to break this area and start to push the upside. But I don't see that happening now. You can see the market has been struggling for some time. And what I like is, yes, the market is respecting that resistance. But now it's trying to push. Let's go on 4 hours time frame. Let's go on 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, we can see that, yes, the market, even though the market is trying to push, we see very well that, yes, it's still struggling to break our resistance. So which means we might start to see the market trying to go lower again. That might happen. I will also have to check the news. I did not check the news, but on our live session, I will make sure that I check that. I will make sure that I check everything for you guys. So let's push. So this week, actually, we're going to go live every day and making sure that we eat together, guys. So yeah, I think I'll have to go like live very early, like maybe 1 hour before or 2 hours before, just to cover some few stuff that we missed, right? I think 1 hour before or 2 hours before, that will be fine. So now we are okay. I see something. We are on German 30, German 40, German 30, or DAX, if you call it like that. So what we see is, yes, if you still remember, this downtrend has been there for some time. Even though we have this sort of a support area there, that is not actually a trend. It's a support which was creating this wedge, you see, but the trend was actually going down. And it seems like the market is breaking that, which means we can do what? We can expect the market to do what? To keep selling, as the market just broke out of our support area. So let's go straight to that. Maybe let's just use 4 hours time frame. Why am I going to on this 4 hours time frame? Just because I was not here and I tried to check if maybe we can see the bigger picture together. So yes, I see a very nice breakout, and this will be something like this. Guys, if you want to learn from me, 150 12 months mentorship for you to create your own signals. You see what I see here, and this is what I'm expecting the market to create, which means I'm expecting a very nice sell. Can you reach that very quick? If you can, that's fine. If not, you need to learn. You need to learn, and you also need to have that confidence. Now, from now on, we're growing those accounts. Let's grow those accounts. Whether it's small, whether it's big, let's try to grow those accounts, guys. Let's grow those accounts. December is coming. December is coming. If we owe people, we need to pay those people that we owe. And I'm also on track to do that. If you have people that you're supposed to pay, let's try to learn together. Maybe you can able to get the knowledge and able to pay for something that you really want to pay. Whether you want to buy something, whether you want to buy clothes or whatever, let's try to learn together. Maybe we can reach that goal that we want. We're not perfect, by the way. I hope you understand that. Yes, I'm still on DAX. I'm expecting the market to do what? To push lower. Because you know why I'm saying that? When I say we need to pay for clothes, we have children and stuff like that. It's because it's like people, when they are traders, it's like we don't really talk about stuff like that. It's like we are not human. It's like we are machine. We are there just to win. Hey, sometimes you're gonna lose, and sometimes you disappoint people. But let's learn and never, like, we're still going to disappoint them, but let's try to come back and say, you know what? I see I did disappoint you. I see that I've up. You see, so now I tried my best. Now I'm back. Now I learned some new skills. Now I'm disciplined. Now I can pay my bills. We all have bills. We have all those things. So let's try to learn. Let's be serious. Let's change. Let's just change the world. You see. So on gold, what we see on gold is it's a very nice structure because it respects exactly what I drawn there since last week. So what I see is, yes, the market is still on downtrend, which means the dollar is a bit stronger. The dollar is very stronger. So what's really happening here is, it shows that, yes, the market is been pushing down. So we are on a downtrend. So we need to look for those sell positions only, not other way around, because if it's like that, it's going to be a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something like this, just to have the average move that I'm going to expect from this area, something like this. So I'm going to do something like that, the average move. So that will be maybe our next support, and we will be expecting the market to maybe to create something like this before pushing lower. Mostly the market do that. You can see here the market did that. You can even see here, but sometimes the structure won't be perfect as the way I draw it, but you will see that the market might create something like that. But guess what? We're not going to buy. You can buy if maybe you understand, but the market is aggressively on that side. When the market reaches this area, what you can do is you place those sell positions, something like this. So this week we both have to eat, guys. We're supposed to eat, whether it's a robot, whether it's signals, we just need to eat. We missed a lot, yo. We did miss a very, like, see, yeah. Tell your friends that we back. Tell your friends that we back. We're going to go live. Yeah, something like this. Something like this. Yeah. So let's push the next one. Kenny the Pimp. Kenny the Pimp. Kenzo the Pimp. So yeah, my brother, I will talk to you. I will talk to you. I'll respond to you. I hope maybe you're watching this. I hope you're watching this. So yeah, we'll be talking very in few hours I will be talking to you. So what's really happening on US oil? You can see that US oil, guys, is still on downtrend, which is a good thing because the market is going down, which means maybe the inflation will go down and maybe the prices will start to decrease slowly. Don't expect the market just to push lower. So I think the nice price here is gonna be around 60.30, but it's going there because now we are on 77. But what I like is, yes, we've been on that sell for some time. We saw that for some time and we've been smashing that for some time. So what do we see here is we have an area. Now we can draw this area like this. We can go closer. Don't be afraid to go closer. Don't be afraid. Guys, we're changing the gears now. Things are going to just be as quick. We're supposed to just eat. We're supposed to leverage whatever that you want to leverage and make something. So what do we want? What do we think maybe might happen? It's something like this. Maybe might happen, or maybe the market might come around this area to bounce back and go lower, or there is a chance for the market to even reach higher. As we are on a downtrend, yes, we can still expect the market to push higher, reach this area of our resistance, and then push lower. Or maybe we can say around this area, we can throw something there. The market might reach that and start to push lower. So we have so many multiple options that we can use. So it's not like we dependent on one thing, right? So this is I like this because it's experience. It's experience with the strategy that we use. If you need to learn that, I don't have to repeat myself. You can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. Yes, when you join the team, if you want to learn, we go live one-on-one, Monday to Friday, but not every day. You're not going to meet every day because some of you're busy, but yes, we can play around that, you see. So what's really happening on US30? I know everyone was waiting for this. For me to reach this area. So what's really happening here is, yes, the market is actually on that downtrend, very strong downtrend, and I've been preaching about that. Just go and watch my previous video. I've been talking about this for quite some time. The market is actually doing what? It's on a very nice downtrend. Very nice downtrend. So we have something like this. Then maybe we can go closer and say, Kenzo, let's see what's really happening. Closer. Let's see. This is daily time frame, guys. This is daily time frame. We can try to check and see what's really happening. This was straightforward. We can see that the market touched this area and the market is going down. Yes, as the market is creating this type of moves, we're expecting this one to be also a bit lower before we see another move going to the upside. We know when the market is going to try to push the upside, yes, we're going to say, oh, that is a nice bullish move. But don't forget that, again, we have this downtrend here. The market can still push lower again. Right, so let's push to a 4-hour time frame and see. We back. Tell your friends that we back. We are back, guys. If maybe you wanted to talk to me but I was not available, yes, I'm back. Maybe if you did not see the message in the group, yes, I'm back. So This is a very, very nice downtrend. What we're going to see do here is we can try to draw maybe, this is aggressive by the way. We can try to draw something like that. This is seriously aggressive, which means there is a possibility for the market to push the upside. You see, but we have the lowest area that I thought maybe the market was going to respect, which was here. You can see we have something there. You see I drawn something there. So let's push very closer, very closer. So which means actually we have a very nice structure that we can rely on. Now we have something like this and we can say, you know what, there is a chance as the market broke out of this, you can see the market was just consolidating around there. So there's a chance for the market to touch this and then push lower. Remember, this is a 4 hours time frame. Touch this area and push lower. Remember, maybe the market opens, the market might start to move, or maybe the market might give us something like this. Even on this area we have something, or maybe this area the market can bounce back here, or maybe the market might start to create that a nice bullish move. But let's say once the market breaks this support area, it's where we're gonna think about maybe short bullish structure that might start to happen as we have this crazy downtrend here, which means we can say if maybe you can see this was moving very aggressively, if the market pushes and breaks this area, we can say maybe the market will push up, 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 maybe respect this area and push lower, or maybe the market will continue up to that resistance, the strongest resistance we have on top there. But if that doesn't happen, we're not going to fight the market. We're not going to fight the market. So let's push. Let's push. The one and only NASDAQ. The one and only NASDAQ. We are here. We are here. We are here. We are here. So what's really happening? Yes, NASDAQ is still actually on that aggressive bearish move. If I do this as, let me just use daily time frame, maybe you will see this. Maybe you will see what's really happening. I think it's something like that. I think something like this. This is very low. So that actually, I think, shows us that, you know what, the market is actually on a downtrend. Or yes, I drawn so many things there, so it's fine. So let me go on a 4 hours time frame just to show you what's really happening, as during the day we're still going to show you what's really happening. So along the way, yes, we had some very nice trades, very, very nice trades, but since the market reached our highest point, which is here, the market started to push lower as the market is actually on a downtrend. So along the way, we have an area where we can call a support, support. Yes, the market is created something like that. And I think we did smash that. Even if maybe I did not send the signal, I hope my student did smash this one. Even on Thursday, the day I did send this signal in the group. So down here, you can see we have a structure, a nice structure by the way. The market tested that and now it's pushing lower. I hope they did take that, but I think there is no much different. There's no much of a change. Why? The market just reached our support area, the area that we think maybe the market might respect, maybe before pushing up. So it means now we're waiting for the market to do what? To break this area, or maybe the market will keep pushing up. But we will confirm that if the market actually is going to break this. If the market is going to break that resistant, our top resistant, we can say, yeah, maybe the market is now trying to push the upside. But remember, even if it's like that, don't forget that we are on a downtrend, and that might still push the market to the lower side, as they say they're going to push, I think it's 4.25% actually, for actually interest rates, so that they can fight the inflation. And remember, last month inflation was actually going up, but we will see if maybe this month actually we're gonna see that next week we're gonna see that what is happening, what was the inflation this month. If it's going down, we're gonna see the market trying to push up, but if not, we're gonna see the market trying to push lower, maybe to reach, if you still remember, I said the market might reach 11,000, and that happened, and I really like that, and I'm happy for that. So I'm expecting maybe the market to go lower to 10,000 if the market breaks that 11,000 mark or zone. Do you see that? I hope you see that. If you want to learn from me, you know what to do. Just WhatsApp me, Telegram me, and then yeah, just WhatsApp me, Telegram me if you want to learn from me. Those are the packages you can try monthly. You can try 8 months, 6 months. 6 months is $80. Those signals are very good. You saw on our live sessions, and 150 is 12 months, and lifetime you also get the robot. Access to robots, actually, not only one robot. Yes, robots might work differently from different account sizes. Different settings might work from different brokers, because brokers, they don't really operate the same. Different countries, different leverages, different values of NASDAQ, but the same thing, micro, mini, and stuff like that. So yeah, if you want to talk to me, you know what to do. Talk to me, WhatsApp me, Telegram me, as I'm going to be busy now talking to my people in the group, as we missed this time. 3 days, 2 days, I'm going to cover that actually from today and tomorrow. By tomorrow, I think we will be done. Even today, maybe. I think we will be done. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Bye.